Hi, my name is MEM-TEK and I'm working for Istanbul Technical University, Civil Engineering Faculty, Environmental Engineering Department. And also I am working as a research assistant in National Research Center on membrane technologies. The project is fully compatible with the strategies and the interdisciplinary work between the digital and the real world. So MEM-TEK Research Center of ITU focuses on water and wastewater related public and industrial processes. This project will be a link between the industry, university and the research in Turkey. So introducing the digitalization and the automatization in the water sector, controlling and the efficient use of the system will be easily learned and applied. So in the project we are going to organize the digital water curriculum design workshop. The workshop will include the curriculum planning, content and methods, and also implementation, evaluation and the reporting. And also ITU will organize the second innovation camp in Istanbul with the physical participation of at least 12 students from each partners. So we are going to test and develop the curriculum in this workshop, innovation camp. The camp team will be the cybersecurity in water infrastructure. So this team of students has participated in the first innovation camp in Leuven, Belgium. Also, the students will complete an online evaluation survey regarding to the quality of the content and their learning experiences. So data from these surveys will be processed by the editors of the courses in order to improve the quality of the lecture materials. So ITU also contributes to Web Package 6, which is the dissemination and the exploitation of the results, and also the managing of the social media accounts of the project